John Bolton pleads guilty in classified information case, a stunning turn for Trump's former national security advisor. In a dramatic development that is sending shockwaves through Washington, former National Security Advisor John Bolton has pleaded guilty to illegally retaining classified information, marking a major turning point in one of the most closely watched national security cases involving a former senior U.S. official. The guilty plea was entered Friday in federal court in Greenbelt, Maryland, where Bolton admitted to unlawfully retaining sensitive national defense information after leaving government service. The charge carries a maximum prison sentence of 10 years, although the plea agreement could allow him to avoid serving time behind bars. Bolton, now 77 years old, served as President Donald Trump's national security advisor during Trump's first administration before the two had a highly public and very public falling out in 2019. Since leaving the White House, Bolton became one of Trump's most outspoken Republican critics, making this legal case especially significant in today's political landscape. As part of the agreement with federal prosecutors, Bolton will pay a $2.25 million fine, surrender his federal retirement pay, participate in intelligence debriefings, and complete up to 100 hours of community service. The agreement also recommends that any prison sentence be capped at 5 years, although the final decision rests entirely with the federal judge, who is expected to sentence Bolton on October 28. During the hearing, Bolton accepted responsibility for his actions. When asked about the case, he simply told the judge, "I'm sorry for it." According to prosecutors, Bolton improperly retained more than 1,000 pages of diary-style notes documenting his daily work while serving as National Security Advisor. Investigators say he shared portions of those notes with close family members while writing his memoir. In one message, Bolton reportedly warned his relatives, "None of which we talk about," prompting a reply that simply read, "Shish." Federal officials stressed that there is no evidence the family members shared the material with anyone else. However, court documents revealed that years later, a hacker linked to Iran gained access to Bolton's personal email account, raising concerns that classified information could have been exposed. Bolton's attorney argued that his client chose to accept responsibility rather than force a lengthy trial that might have risked exposing additional classified material. Prosecutors, however, emphasized that Bolton fully understood the nation's strict rules for handling classified information and knowingly violated them. Reaction to the case has been swift and deeply divided. Some believe Bolton's guilty plea demonstrates accountability and respect for the legal process. Others argue the case highlights the importance of protecting classified information regardless of political affiliation or public office. Across social media, Americans continue debating whether the proposed punishment is appropriate and what precedent it may set for future national security cases. The case also revives memories of Bolton's turbulent relationship with President Trump. After leaving the administration, Bolton published a best-selling memoir that criticized Trump's leadership, triggering a bitter legal battle over the book's release and permanently damaging their relationship. As sentencing approaches later this year, many legal experts and political observers will be watching closely. The judge's final decision could shape not only Bolton's future but also the broader conversation about accountability, classified information, and the responsibilities carried by America's highest-ranking national security officials. No matter where public opinion falls, one thing is certain: this case has become another defining chapter in the ongoing intersection of politics, national security, and the rule of law in the United States.